Hi guys, welcome back for another video. I think I'm going to start doing all my videos stood up like this in this position because I'm really liking it. It's like so much freedom. Anyway, today I am looking like this because I'm going to show you how to style these turban hats that I sell. So quite a few of you in the comment section have been asking me where they can buy it from, so I sell it like I said, and I just got more stock in because when I got them the first time around, literally you all just snap them up like that, which is amazing. But they are so fun and like easy to use, quick and everything to tie turbans with. So I just thought I'd show you a few styles that you can do, and I have lots and lots of different colors in available: blacks, reds, maroons, purples, greens, black, everything. So if you are interested, make sure you follow me on Instagram, send me a DM and I'll hook you up, okay? So a few styles then that you can do. So style number one, which I have done this style on a previous video, but since I'm doing it here, I might as well show you again. So it's basically the style where you take it over your head, bring it round and tuck it all in. See how quick that was? Like that took 0.1 of a second pretty much. But again, I've got no mirror so I can't really see what I'm doing. This color is really bright, man. I like my mustard one better. But yeah, so this is one style, just literally simply like that. You can do, I'm making these up on the spot now, you can twist the sock bit and just bring it around over your head like this, and then just tuck the excess into the little pocket, bring it around to the other side and tuck that in again. So that's another style. It's a style, right? Oh, I quite like that actually. My under scarf volume today is just higgy. But yeah, this is another style. What else could we do with it? You could, oh, undo this. You could do that same twisty thing, but rather than bringing it round to the front, just keep it back on the bun, and twist it round again, and then just tuck it away. That's another style. Yes, agreed. So that's another style. So yeah, another style. What else could you do with it? And also, I actually have a pin which I don't know where it is right now, but that I kind of pin to the side, which looks really cute. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. I found it. So I'm not going to try putting it while I'm on camera because I have to be right up close next to a mirror. But yeah, actually, let me try. Oh, I do not. This is why none of my styles I use pins, because this is why I don't use pins with any of my turban styles, because I'm so dangerous when it comes to pins. Anyway, you get the idea. So if you put a little brooch on it, then it kind of adds a bit of something to it. So yeah, that's another way of styling it, making it look cute. Alternatively, and I've not tried this before, but let me have a look. If you, yeah, this is cute. So you could leave it kind of around the bun bit like that. Oh my god, that's so cute. Imagine my top. Or maybe bring it around to the front like this to follow that V kind of bit. Oh my god. Or you can just bring it around straight. So cute. Really, like, there's so much you can do with this. Let's see if there's anything else that I can think of on the spot. Let's see. Let's see if we bring this forward like this. Bring this forward and then twist the rest of it like this and then tuck it in. Yeah, this is also a style. Ooh, I like this. I really like this. So you see, literally it is so easy to style, so quick. and the velvet is just so elegant. So make sure you place your orders. Like I said last time, I sold out like that, so if you want one you have to be quick, otherwise they will all go. Yeah, so just message me on Instagram and I'll tell you what colours we have. I'll send you a picture. We literally have pretty much every colour at the moment, so if you're quick then you'll be able to get the colour that you want. So yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next video. Bye.